happening, YouTubers and YouTubettes? Jax Russell on the road for Cinnabro Supreme. And as you can see, we got a full house going on in the Jax-mobile. The car is packed.
Introduce who's this right here?
Oh, so you've seen this guy, Lucas, with his OJ.
Skywalker.
How's it going? And right over here, look in the back seat. That's Levi from Zoom Cinemas.
I'm gonna do me first. Everybody knows who I am.
Everybody knows you, Travis.
Travis, and the new person.
The new guy on the channel.
What up, B-Dot?
This is Devin.
And why are we getting together here?
Oh my god. Well, we're heading to Moncton, which is like a 2-hour drive. And we're heading to see the Canadian Lords of Metal, Anvil.
Yeah!
Woo!
And going back to Kennedy.
Like on the other side of the road. Hard to drive and headbang at the same time. A mistake. Yeah, big mistake. But yeah, man, we'll the concert, it's 9:04 in the AM. The concert is at 8:30 tonight. So we're gonna be shopping and shit.
Yeah. Spending money, hopefully.
Movie shopping, comic book shopping. Comic book shopping! You're making him choke on his OJ, man!
What happens again? He choked on OJ.
I did. So, we shall keep you up to date with what's going on.
In the meantime,
Chilly day.
Yeah.
So we decided to walk. We decided to walk to the concert. Filming you, filming me. Yay!
But what we gonna?
Your quality's gonna kick my ass, but whatever.
Oh, guys, get two different angles. Oh, this is cool. We saw these two chairs.
We saw these. We were driving and we saw these two huge yellow chairs. So we figured we gotta go take a picture, film, whatever, have a seat.
Sit on it.
Sit on it. What are you, Fonzie? Hey, sit on it. Hey. So the first stop, I think, is gonna be the parlor, followed by the comic shop. Yes. And then spin it. The spin cycle. So we will see you guys there. Slow ride. Take it easy. I'm in the mood. That guy's taking the slow ride. Right. Groove to the music. We can roll all night. Yeah. Slow ride. We are enjoying a slow ride, everybody. Slow ride. Take it easy. Jesus, we're slow ride. Double footage is just rocking out. Take it easy. We just arrived in Moncton. We're at the parlor right now, which is a great store. Maybe not as cool as Spin It, but still cool. They got lots of DVDs. They used to have VHS. I don't think they do anymore. Last time I came, they didn't have any, but we're gonna go check that out and see what we can find. Let's go in. Let's go in because it's cold. Hey everybody, welcome to the Cinnabro Supreme All Access. You may enter. Oh! You guys finding anything cool?
Not in this section. The G.I. Joe stuff.
I know, I saw those, the season 1, parts 1 and 2, $14.95 a piece, but part 1 kind of has a nick in it.
Yeah, no.
But you know what I did see that I thought was kind of cool and nostalgic? I think it was over here. Wait, Lois and Clark, season 1. I know. It's 1995, 20 bucks, I don't know.
What's this there? Double featured, both of them?
Yeah, and the cartoon is in there too.
No shit.
Yeah, like 2 episodes of the cartoon.
$3.95?
Are you serious? Holy, I've never seen it that cheap before. Oh, here it is again. $7.95. This one. That one's in rougher shape, I guess? I don't know. No, actually, this one looks in rougher shape. I don't know. Get the cheaper one.
Well, yeah. I guess.
Man.
Was a mistake? Or?
No.
Box set? No, box set.
Huh. Dude, that's worth it.
I think it is. I had the VHS already, though.
Oh, that's true. Me too. Oh. Or do you want just the first one?
Are we?
Like, is it for the same price? Get the 2? How about you, Levi? You finding anything?
Movie seems to follow me wherever I go.
Basic Instinct 2?
Everywhere I go, every movie store I go to, it's sitting right there, and it's like under $5. So. Then again, the movie's not that great, so maybe that's.
Do you have it?
No. I might get it just so maybe it'll stop following me all over the place.
I just saw something. Blown Away. You've seen this, right? Blown Away?
Yes, only actually. It's a good movie.
Yeah, I remember when it came out years ago.
It's crazy, crazy bomb making. He's a terrorist, really Irish, I believe.
Really?
Yeah. And
interesting. Oh, so you're gonna buy Basic Instinct 2?
I guess so, because everywhere I go, it's right there, so I might as well get it.
I don't see why not, eh?
Well, it's nowhere as close as being as good as the first one.
No, that's for sure.
There's one part where she's driving the car at the beginning of the movie and she licks the other guy's fingers, and you know, that part was kind of hot.
Awesome.
And she's driving like a maniac.
Go ahead. Okay, still at the parlor, folks. I just found something that I freaked out. Travis witnessed it, right? You want a reenactment? Dude, that was me. I found this. The Incredible Hulk. Features 2 made-for-TV movies, The Incredible Hulk Returns and Trial of the Incredible Hulk. I know my buddy Eddie, Celebrate 1976, if you're watching, I know you told me about these, and they're supposedly very good. And this is, there's no price on it, but most of these are $3.95 a piece, so I'm getting this. And as you can see, one of these features Daredevil, and the other one Thor, which is appropriate, with the new Thor being in theaters and all. So yeah, so I'm picking this up. It's like the best thing I've found here. Whoa. Second best. But yeah, still the best. Yeah, no, for sure. So I am happy. So keep looking. If I see something, I will let you know.
725 for the whole thing. It's the box.
No, definitely not. What you got there, Devin? Legends of the Dark Knight.
Oh yeah.
Man. We were looking around, and we couldn't find comics.
We're like, yeah, there's a couple here.
There's a couple here on the wall and whatnot, like cool ones. Or we're like, is this all they have?
And we looked over here, and unfortunately, we're like, oh, the only new one.
Yeah. I know the first one for $10. Death in the Family.
And the second one's in Camelton for another $10.
Show them the Joker stand. There's like a Joker standee. It looks crazy.
Really? I didn't see it yet.
We're looking at all these comics, right? They're all new.
They're all new stuff. So
These boxes. Oh.
I know. I'm gonna turn off the camera and go look through them. I got my list. See you soon.
And throw it up.
These come right out.
I think they do. There you go.
I don't know if that's a good idea, but
We can manage. We're tough. Star Wars, are you kidding me?
is that? No, that's not it.
That's not spectacular, no. These are just normal Spider-Mans.
Wait, there's a lot more though afterwards. Yeah.
Oh, Spider-Woman. Nothing against Spider-Woman, but
Oh, okay,
They're all
they're all
Spider-Woman.
Spider-Woman. Yes, Spike. I'm sorry, but I got your hopes up.
no, that's okay,
Star
man.
Trek.
Star Trek, Star Wars.
Star Wars.
Oh, I thought it was like the old Marvel Star Wars. Man. Well, I got some good stuff. I got to pick and choose there. Yes, you do. Damn. What are you finding, my brother?
Nice showering cowboy. I can't.
No luck? Oh, wait, sorry.
small.
I thought I just saw something cool here. What did I just see? Secret Wars! Okay, yoink. Yoink. Thank you.
Secret Wars 2? What's these?
This is really popular, these. Number 6. Damn it. Number 8.
$3.
Yeah. I want to get them like
What was that?
consecutive
Oh, okay.
Secret Warriors.
That's, oh, it's really hard to get your fingers. Shadow.
Shadow.
Yeah,
Like
shadow.
go. Oh, Shadow. Okay, I thought you meant like the Shadow.
Are you filming? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh man. I wish I had more money.
Yeah, boy.